Hello and welcome. We are listing down the top 5 mid-range smartphones you can buy on Amazon. These products have been carefully chosen after rigorous and objective testing here at our Digit Test Labs. Here we go.
Now coming in at number 5, we have
Nokia 8.1. The Nokia 8.1 is for the purists and the minimalists, the ones who can't stand a heavily skinned interface and seek the simplicity of pure stock Android. The Nokia 8.1 scores high in this area and is also a great shooter, even though you won't get all the options that mid-rangers offer these days. With a fast Snapdragon 710 SoC and a compact 6.1-inch HDR10 display, the Nokia 8.1 is really good for video consumption and gaming. It's also one of the first to receive the latest Android updates, and the lightweight software doesn't eat up too much battery, making it last a day without charging.
And at number 4, we have
Oppo F15. The Oppo F15 looks far too premium for the price, but design isn't the only thing it's good at. The phone features a fairly compact 6.4-inch AMOLED display that's good for binging videos, while a 48-megapixel quad camera setup ensures you get a detailed shot with every click. There's a dedicated night mode and a super steady video mode that is especially useful for vloggers. What seals the deal here is the 4025 mAh battery, thanks to some intelligent power saving algorithms, can last well over a day.
And then next on our list at number 3 is
Samsung Galaxy M31. The Samsung Galaxy M31 can put most premium flagships to shame when it comes to battery life. It sports a whopping 6000 mAh battery under the hood that keeps the phone running well over 2 days with moderate use. The Samsung Galaxy M31 features an AMOLED display which is quite bright and vibrant, and one of the few smartphones in this segment to do so. And binging on a series on the phone is quite a delight. It's also quite good at taking photos thanks to a 64 megapixel primary sensor at the back, combined with an ultra-wide lens, a macro lens and a depth sensor. You also get a large 32 megapixel selfie camera on the front, which is quite good for vloggers.
And at number 2 we have
Xiaomi Redmi K20. The Xiaomi Redmi K20 nearly shares all the features of its Pro variant minus the flagship Snapdragon chipset. It does, however, come with the powerful Snapdragon 730, which is reliable enough while gaming, delivering peak frame rates and high stability. The versatile camera setup at the back is led by a 48 megapixel Sony sensor and is quite reliable, while the full screen HDR10 Plus AMOLED display is a delight to stream videos on.
Finally, coming in at number 1,
Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max is the best mid-ranger available on Amazon right now, powered by the new Snapdragon 720G that delivers smooth frame rates in high-end mobiles like PUBG Mobile. The Redmi Note 9 Pro Max is perfect if you're looking for a gaming phone on a budget. It also has the largest display in this segment, measuring at a massive 6.7 inches, interrupted only by a tiny punch-hole selfie camera. At the back is a 64 megapixel primary camera combined with 3 other lenses, making it quite versatile for photography. The best feature of the phone, however, is the large 5020 mAh battery with 30-watt fast charging support, which easily delivers more than a day's power without having to plug in. So that was our list of the best mid-range smartphones you can buy on Amazon. Thanks for watching.